This is the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and as the name shows, this is the Motorola's flagship phone for this year. This phone is the successor to the Motorola Edge 40 Pro, which was launched in various markets with different names. For example, in the Chinese market, the phone was called the Motorola X40, while in the US it was called the Motorola Edge Plus. Anyways, while the brand has not announced the launch date, we already have the official images and a few specifications of the phone. Design-wise, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro has a curved screen, which is quite interesting because as we have seen, more and more brands are now going for flat displays on their flagship phones. While the phone looks the same as last year from the front, it looks completely different from the back, thanks to that camera module design. This time there is no separate camera island, and instead the back of the phone curves around the edges of the camera module. I don't know if it is only me, but this camera module design reminds me of the design of Oppo Find X3 series. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro has 3 color options, where the black and purple colors have a vegan leather finish on the back. The third color is a unique off-white color with a wave-like pattern on the back. And well, that is all about the design of the Edge 50 Pro. As for the specifications, what we know so far is that the phone has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with 12GB LPDDR5X RAM. The battery is 4500 mAh, which is interestingly smaller than the 4600 mAh battery of the Edge 40 Pro. But while the battery size is reduced, there is an upgrade in the charging speed, the wireless charging speed to be more precise. The phone supports 125 watt wired charging, which is the same as last year, and 50 watt wireless charging, which is an upgrade over the 15 watt wireless charging in the Edge 40 Pro. The phone has a 6.7-inch 165Hz OLED display, and while the resolution is not yet known, it is most likely a Full HD Plus display like the predecessor, because a Quad HD Plus panel and a 4500 mAh battery does not seem like a great combination. Finally, speaking of the cameras, the primary rear camera has a 50 megapixel sensor with OIS and an f1.4 lens, which should offer good low light performance. The second camera has a 13mm ultra-wide lens, and the third camera has a 73mm telephoto lens, which means around 3x optical zoom. The Edge 40 Pro was launched in April last year, so the same is expected to be the case with the Edge 50 Pro. In fact, the official renders show the date on the display as April 3rd, which might be the launch date of the Edge 50 Pro. The price is not yet known, but the Edge 40 Pro was launched in Europe at €900 and in the US at $800. Based on the specifications, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro should launch at a similar price as the predecessor, since the competition includes the likes of Galaxy S24, OnePlus 12 and more. So, what do you think of the design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.